So we are in process of creating list of values. Creating list of values. Creating list of values for the select data. Okay. Creating list of values for the select data. First step is we need to create the lookup. First step is we need to create the lookup. Create the lookup. So I will show you how to create the lookup. ESLL
Sir, we are creating only invoice check or total data, sir?
only invoice check.
Okay.
So let's say, for example, tools, schedule process. What is the report name?
Invoice check.
No.
Check.
Invoice check report. Click on OK. So now what we are doing is select data. Currently it is coming only text box, right? Select data. Currently it is coming only text box. Okay. So I would like to add the list of values here. I would like to add the list of values for the select data. So for that what we will do, first create the lookup, setup and maintenance. Search. Manage common lookups. Manage common lookup. Click on plus. So manage common lookup. Click on plus. So I will give the name as invoice check lookup. Invoice check lookup I am creating here. So this name can be any name. This name can be any name. Module name. There is a common module called application toolkit. There is a common module called application toolkit. There is a common module called application toolkit. So there is a common module called application toolkit. Okay. Save. So once you press the save button, this plus will be enabled. Once you press the save button, this plus will be enabled. Once you press the save button, this plus will be enabled. For this, okay. Click on plus. Here I will add the invoices. You can press. So whatever in the data model is there, no? So I'll take that, make that duplicate. The lookup. Browse catalog. I'm taking the same data, whatever I have entered in the list of values. Oh. So I'm creating the lookup name, invoice check lookup. Let's keep this name in the notepad. Keep this name in the notepad. So that required to call in the ESS job. So this lookup type name, make sure that keep in somewhere in notepad, okay? And this data, invoices uncheck. The same values, whatever you have entered, right? The same values, whatever you entered, same thing you have to enter here also. Okay, save and close. So we have created the lookup. Just cross verify whether lookup has been created or not. How to verify? Go to manage common lookups. Copy this. Search. Right. So that means the lookup has been created. Okay, so that is the first step. Second step, navigate to ESS job. Search the navigate to ESS job. Search the search your ESS job name. Navigate to ESS job and search your ESS job name. So let's say setup and maintenance. Manage enterprise. Okay, manage enterprise scheduler and job definition and job sets. Okay, search your ESS job name. invoices. Search your ESS job name. Search your ESS job name. Search your ESS job name. Machine learning. Okay, I think this is ours. So go to manage list of resources. Search your ESS job name. Go to manage list of resources. Go to manage list of resources. Go to manage list of resources. Click on plus. Go to manage list of resources. Click on plus. Application name. Application name are you. Application name are you. Financial module. Financial common modules. So here list of values source name. This name can be any name. So select data LOB. So this name can be any name. So I'm just using select data LOB. And this list of values source definition name. This list of values source definition name. This list of values source definition name. Okay, let me bring that source definition name. Just a minute. For list of values source definition name, we need to use this path. This is the standard path for call any lookup data in the ESS job parameter. So this is the standard path for calling any lookup data in the ESS job parameter. So this path we need to follow. Okay, so what we will do, copy this one. Copy this path. Copy this path. So list of value source definition name I have given like this. So LOA type predefined. So list of value source definition name. So this path is standard path. Standard path for any lookup you are calling. Any lookup you are calling in the ESS job list of value sources. So this path you need to give it. Remember this point. And this name can be any name. So this name can be any name. This is the okay. Third step. Create the ESS job. Okay. And here list of value source definition name.
అది నీది అవ్వట్లేదబ్బా
Should be
ఎట్లా చెప్తా బ్యాంక్ వాడిని అడుగు బ్యాంక్
list of value source definition name should be this path.
నాది ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ నాది ఎప్పటి నుంచో అవ్వట్లా
List of value source definition name should be this path.
నేను 20,000 లోడ్ చేసి కూర్చున్నా.
Okay, first we need to create the lookup. Then we need to search the ESS job name. So whatever the ESS job we have created, right? Search the ESS job name. Then we need to create the ESS job LOB. So list of value source definition name should be this path. Okay.
మరి ఎక్కడ
And the LOV name should be this one. This name can be any name. After that,
నువ్వు
click on
ఎన్ని
save and close.
రూపాయి రాదు.
Save and close. Okay. Save and close. Now go to your
లోడ్ చేశాను అన్నదే 10,000కి
go to your ESA job update. Go to your ESA job update.
ఎందుకు
Go to your ESA job update.
10 రోజులకైనా అవుతుంది కదా,
Update.
24 తారీఖు దాకా టైం ఉంది నాకు. 24
So the select data is there, right?
10వ తారీఖు దాకా
Select data, click on update. Select data, click on update.
లోపు అవదంటావా?
Select data, click on update.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ వేరే దాంట్లో చేస్తే మనకి ఇందులో చేసేదే దాని నిమిత్తం. ఇది మనకి మళ్ళీ
So here instead of text box, I will take the choice list.
నీకు
Instead of text box, I am taking the choice list. So here list of value sources is there, no? So whatever the list of value sources, whatever I have used right just now. Whatever just now I have written, right? Mention common model. Whatever the list of values, source name, this name, search. So in the earlier step, you have created the list of value name, right? That name you need to map in this parameter. For this parameter, you need to use this list of values. So here, one thing I want to tell you guys. One thing I want to tell you. When you create the lookup, we have a something lookup code, meaning something is there, na? So you want to display meaning column data or lookup code column data to be mapped to this select data LOV. Okay. So whichever the column data you want to map to this select data LOV, that lookup code name you need to select. Okay. So while you create the lookup, right, there is a lookup code, meaning something is there, na? So whichever the column data you want to map to this select data parameter, that column name you need to select here. That column name you need to select here. That column name you need to select here. Save on pause. For example, client say meaning column I want to select, then you can select the meaning column here. Click on save on close. Okay. So we have mapped the lookup code. Sorry, we have mapped the select data LOV to this parameter, and we have defined the lookup, right? See what this okay, I will tell you. So what this VO will do, what this path will do, I will explain. This path contains the query of the lookup data. That means this VO contains, so you remember we have created the lookup, right? So that lookup data will be stored into some of the table, right? That table query will be there in this VO. In this VO, so what will be there? Select, it will be there like this, select star from something FND common FND lookup types. So, okay. So whenever you create the lookup data will be stored into this table. So this query will be there into this path. And this path contains this query. So when we run this query, what will happen? The columns of the lookups columns will come, right? So which column you want to map to your parameter? That is the screen, guys. So I want to map a lookup code column to this parameter. So you will ask where this lookup code, all these columns are coming. So this columns coming from where? This table. So where this is there, this is mapped to this VO. Where you have given this one, this you have given in the where you have given in where? So while you create the ESA job list of value sources, you have given this path. in the third step. Now you tell me, guys, if I run this query, what will happen in the Oracle Fusion? How many lookups are there? How many lookups are there? The complete data will come, right? Complete data will come, correct or not? In Oracle Fusion, how many lookups are there? The complete lookup data will come into this query, correct or not? Save and close. Save and close. So now you save and you press the save and close. So what will happen? I will tell you. Run the ESS job now. Run the ESS job. Sign out and re-login. So this is a little bit tricky to understand, but you need to understand carefully. So while you when you do the practice once or twice, you will understand. So yeah, what we will do? Schedule process. In schedule no process. So yes.
అమౌంట్ పంపిస్తావా? ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం నాకు కొంచెం అర్జెంట్ ఉంది.
Invoice spelling.
Sir, after there is was.
So
44 rupees received on Bharat Pay.
So now click on OK. So you will see select data. All the data of lookups will be populated to the select data parameter. See, now if you look at this one, I told you, no? So all the lookup data populating here. So why it is populating all the lookup data? I already told you, no? So this VO we have this path we have mapped to this select data LOV, right? So while I create the select data, while I create this ESS job LOV, so I have mapped to this path. So this path contains this table. So what is happening? This table will hold all the lookups data from the Oracle Fusion. That is the reason. So it is showing all the lookup data. It is showing all the lookup data. Understand or not? Not getting? No. But what is our requirement? We should display only for our lookup data, right? Our lookup means what? So we should display only for our lookup data, right? Correct or not? So what is our lookup? This is our lookup, right? In this lookup, how many values are there? In this
Two
lookup,
values.
two values are there.
Two values.
Okay. So,
Voices and check.
Now you tell me, guys. You tell me. In this lookup, this is one of the column, right? Lookup type name is one of lookup type is one of the column. Normally in SQL, what you will do to get only specific record?
Where condition?
Where condition?
Where condition, right? So now you tell me what is the where condition? Where?
Lookup type or lookup names.
Okay, well,
Equal to?
maybe a lookup type equal to,
Invoice check lookup.
yeah. Then what will happen? Tell me, if I run this query, what will happen? Tell me.
Only that lookup.
Two options will be there.
Yeah, two options will come.
This is the
Two options will come. Mhm.
బిల్లు కట్టాలి కదా
1 minute, guys.
మరి 50 రూపాయలు ఫోన్ అయితే సీన్ లేదా యాక్సెస్ 30,000 అక్కడ కట్టారు 30,000 మరి రెండోసారి కట్టినట్టున్నారు
Okay, that means two options means two records will come. Because in our lookup type we have two records now. Two records will come. Correct or not? But this query, whatever the query there in this table, we cannot pull and we cannot write, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So how to handle this scenario? How to handle this scenario? I will tell you. To handle this scenario, so what you will do, go to ESS job. But you got the problem, you understand the problem or not?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Before that,
Yeah, you can ask.
sir, at lookup creation time we used one model and at this level, sir, at ESS job level we taken another model, sir. Why, sir? Like fusion.
Oh, module.
Why some modules, sir?
Module you can put both are same or both are not equal same. That's not a matter. You can put the both are same, but I missed that. So you there also you can put the financial common module, but I forgot that. Okay. So, but it will not be impact anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No. Let me go to the manage enterprise. Manage enterprise scheduler. Search your ESS job name. ESS.
అది అట్లా నీ 30,000 ఎంత ఇవ్వలేదు అన్నావు కదా మళ్ళీ మనకి కావాలి అంటే ఇది అమెజాన్లో నువ్వు కట్టేసుకోవచ్చు ఇది వ్యాలెట్ లోడ్ చేసుకుంటే మనం అట్లా సరిపోతే మనకి 2% ఈజీగా వస్తుంది అమెజాన్ పే నీకు మిగతా దాంట్లో నార్మల్గా వస్తుంది ఏది అమెజాన్ వ్యాలెట్లో లోడ్ అందులో నుంచి అయినా మనకి డైరెక్ట్ పేమెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కావాలి అంటే మన వ్యాలెట్ వాళ్ళు లాగిన్ అయినా వేరే వాడి
because it's required to run this is the ESS job.
అది వాళ్ళ సర్వీస్
Yesterday notepad I have. Okay, click on update now. So now go to this parameter. So there is a option called this. There is an option called link. Click on this arrow mark. Click on this link. Click on this arrow mark. Click on this link. Click on this arrow mark. Click on this link.
చెప్తున్నా 10 రూపాయలకి పావులాకి చేస్తే వస్తాయి.
So you can mention by lookup type.
రాకపోతే అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయలేం కదా.
By
నేను
lookup type.
అడుగుతా ఇవ్వలేదు అంటారు.
Mapped parameter should be
అది మనకి మంచి ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్ లో ఉన్న
so by lookup type. So what will happen? What do you mean by criteria?
అంటానా లేదంటే వేరే
What do you mean by criteria is in the lookup VO select star from table name. Criteria means where condition where lookup type equal to lookup type equal to lookup type equal to
వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నీకు ఇవ్వకుండా
this name.
నీ తర్వాత కాయలు కోపించుకున్న వాడికి ఇచ్చే నీకు ఎట్లా
Understand or not? So in the list of value sources, common lookup PVO contains the select statement, right? Select star from that FND lookup table where column name and equal to value. So this view criteria means where condition. View criteria means where condition. Select star from table name where lookup type equal to this value. So what will happen? So when this query and when this where condition execute, what will happen? So the related data will come in the LOV list of values.
నీకు తెలిసిందే ఇప్పుడు నీ కార్డులో కట్టావు.
Understand this logic or not?
అప్పుడు నేనేం చేసా చెప్పు. మీ దగ్గర 1.5 month నేను ఆగలేదా?
Yes, sir.
వేసిన అంటే
Okay.
అన్ని మారిపోతుంది.
Save and close. Following are guys feeling tough? Time on and relogin.
అది మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 6,720 తీసేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నీ కట్ అయ్యేది 6,700 కాకుండా ఇంకొక 6,700 అది ఎంప్లాయర్ షేర్. ఎంప్లాయీ షేర్ మీ దగ్గర కట్ అవుతుంది. ఎంప్లాయర్ షేర్ లేకుండా కట్ అవుతుంది.
Scheduling process.
టోటల్ ఎర్నింగ్స్ ప్లస్ ఇది 12 ప్లస్ గ్రాట్యుటీ ప్లస్
Only 2 values coming. Understand or not?
కానండి దాంట్లో 2 సెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎర్నింగ్స్ డిడక్షన్స్.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So very important guys, how to call the lookup in ESS job as a parameter. So last point is difficult to understand, but so this is the way it will work.
Sir, now if you select the invoice, only that data will come, sir. Both data comes. Now this.
Which one?
If you select the invoice, na sir, at that runtime.
Hmm.
Invoice data only come, sir. Or both data.
Anyway, that logic we already implemented, right? So this logic already we implemented in the this RTF, na?
Yes, sir.
This logic we already implemented in the RTF template, right? Okay, let me check. So let us check. Okay. Advanced.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ కాదు, ఒకేసారి మొన్న 5 లక్షలు చేసావు. ఏమైనా పక్కపడితే నాకు పక్కపడేది. మొన్న ఆ రోజు ఇంటికి వచ్చినప్పుడు చేసావు చెప్పు. 470 తర్వాత అటు ఇటుగా మరి ఇన్స్టామీటర్ లెక్కిస్తే 5 లక్షలు దాటింది. 5 6 అవుతుంది.
Coming right. See that see only a list of values we have list of values we have used lookup data, but the logic remaining report logic everything is same. That will not be changed.
సరే అయితే అది ఏమైంది కాయి
So these 3 steps, any confusion you can ask me. Yes. Can anyone explain these steps?
మీ దాంట్లో ఏమైనా ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుందేమో.
Okay.
ఛాన్స్ దొరికింది కానీ
First step is create the lookup, guys. Add the 2 values. Okay. Then we need to create the we need to create the one list of values in the ESS job, and we need to map this path. Okay. So this path contain the query. What query it will be there? A select star from fn lookup type. So whatever you enter the lookup data, that data will be stored into this table. So that means, so not only one lookup, right? In Oracle Fusion, many lookups are there. So that all the lookup data will be stored into this table. So after that, what you have done, you have mapped the this LOB to this list of values to that parameter. Okay. So when you run now, what is the problem is coming? So when we run the ESS job, okay, when we run the ESS job, so the parameter will be taking up all this data and it is displaying, right? But that is not our case, right? So our case should be only to display our lookup data. So for that, so there in the parameter level, there is a dependencies option is there. You click that dependencies. So we need to map view criteria level this like this, so that the related lookup data will come in the parameter in the ESS job. So that is the reason I'm asking is, so once you do practice, you will get more clarity on that. Any question I can feel free to ask me. Yes. I'm expecting at least one of the question, one question or two questions.
Vamsi, in ESS job creation, there is a third section. Is there a job section? Can you high level? Can you explain those things?
I have also not worked in job sets.
Not this one here, na? Can you go to that ESS job? There third job set is there, na?
Yeah, that only I'm telling that I have not worked in.
Actually, that is some very important. I think in that 2 ESS job we need to simultaneously or one after another. If we want to run, then only we can set it there. That means if you 2 ESS job need to run simultaneously.
If you go to the
Yeah,
YouTube,
that, I already checked.
okay. So that I also know, but I have not worked in
That
the
kind of questions they are asking, like I have a 3 ESS jobs is there, 3 VIP reports is there. So I want to run those 3 reports in one ESS job. How I need to do that question they are asking.
Okay. Okay, Baba.
Yeah.
But all the questions, for example, I'm telling you, 1 lakh questions are there. That 1 lakh
Yeah, yes,
we
yes,
cannot.
yeah. That 1 lakh questions, yeah, whatever you
No one
say.
will not teach, right?
Yeah.
See, for example, main questions we are going to teach, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
I know.
yeah, if time permit, I will take one example and. Okay. If time permit, I will cover that also.
Yeah, okay.
So our next report will be requisition and requisition headers and requisition lines report. So in this example, we will see how to write the query based. So this time I use the lookup. This time I use the lookup, right? This time I use the lookup, right? So now we will use the query based list of values in the ESS job. Query based list of values in the ESS job. So lookup we have covered, right? Query based list of values in the ESS job. Okay. So I think we will start on tomorrow on this.